So before I show you how to exactly find URLs of your competitor website, this is a AI SEO blog writer. You can auto blog, you can start auto blog, you can do all the automations. I have made videos about it. You can try it out for free. So check it out. The link will be in the description. The first thing is you want to go inside the Semrush, and here what you want to do is go to the domain overview. Once you go to the domain overview, here you can simply enter a URL. So let's just say this is my competitor. I want to know the URL. So what I can do is I can simply go here, and so once the data loads, Semrush data loads, now you can see there's many pages, and the traffic is also two, oh my god, 3 million plus traffic. Sorry, 2.9 million. So if I want to find URLs, what I can do is I can simply scroll down, and yep, so you can see the index pages. Now if you click on view details, you can see all the index pages, but that's a lot of pages. Instead, what you want to do is go and find the top ranking. The top organic keyword from this domain is the beaver or penguin and wildlife fund. So, and then if you click on it, then you will get to know the pages, right? The top pages which are ranking for the keyword. So it's very easy to find. So you can do the thing, and you even have the keyword strategy. By the way, SEMrush offers SEMrush one, their free trial. The link to that also will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. So this is how you find the URLs, and catch you on the next one.